Hey, how's it going? Hope you enjoyed your Thanksgiving. I'm sure maybe you put on a pound or two since then, but thank you so much for showing interest in my video. Today I'm going to share with you guys my personal recipe on having a very nutritious and healthy shake. It's packed full of protein and necessary nutrients you need to keep you energized throughout the day. So right away, we're going to use some hemp protein with chocolate. I already measured out the necessary amount. It's 3 tablespoons. We got over here a banana, 1 cup of almond milk with protein, and we got here mixed greens from the brand FNX. We have cinnamon. It's optional, but I love to put cinnamon in most things. And of course some ice, because we're going to blend it together. It's going to be fantastic that way. So first we start off pouring the hemp. Then we got the almond milk. Here comes my favorite part. We're going to destroy this banana like a savage. Okay? Grab and just toss it right in there. And by the way, I use the NutriBullet to blend. You can use a blender or whatever else you prefer. Okay, we got these delicious mixed greens. They're amazing. Okay, now we're going to drop a dash of cinnamon, some ice cubes. 3 is fine. Anything more than that, it's going to be super crunchy from the ice and cold. That's how I prefer it. So I don't know if you guys care to see me blend this thing, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. Let's have a taste. Absolutely delicious. And if you guys are interested in buying this mixed greens from FNX, I'm offering you guys a 15% coupon, leg locks for days. You can put it at your checkout and get 15% off your entire order. I'll also put the link in the description in case you guys are interested. Thank you so much for showing interest in my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this smoothie. Until next time, cheers.